my toe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's Christmas time. It is time to get it on and pop it and jolly. Wait a minute. We have to be jolly, right? I shouldn't be in these clothes looking all crazy or whatnot. And you know, we got this Christmas tree and it's daytime right now. You know what? That's much better. Yay! I got my little Christmas outfit on. Now we can start wrapping presents, guys. Oh, and I'm in my cozy Christmas outfit. I decided to wear it today for this video. Before we get started, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. You already know. I'll even let you get a little Christmas moment before we get into this video. Alright, there you go. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this. What we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be wrapping presents. I know like a lot of people don't know how to wrap a Christmas present, and this tutorial, I guess you could call it a tutorial, this will show you how to wrap anything, and I mean anything. But yeah, basically I'm just going to show you how you can wrap anything, so that way you know how to wrap literally anything, any type of present that you need. I know wrapping has been around for ages, since Christmas even began, and you know, you could wrap for birthday parties, you know, Christmas, and what else do people wrap presents for? And just when you want to give somebody something special, you know what I'm saying? You want to give them something special, so you gotta learn how to wrap. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing you need is wrapping paper. You can get it at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is so slept on, y'all. Please go to Dollar Tree sometimes if you need like something simple, because they have some good prices, of course, because they're $1, duh. But and yeah, your present, of course you have to get your present. Today I'm just gonna be using somebody's present. I'm not gonna say who, because they might see this and get spoiled, but we're just gonna wrap their present. Bows, if you want bows. If not, then you don't need bows. I like to go all out and extravagant and stuff like that. You can also do these if you're not feeling the gift wrap still. You can honestly just put it in a gift box, put some tape over the sides, and you're good to go. Just put to and from or whatever. I use gift wrap for presents that are inside of a bag. I use presents so that way it looks cute and it covers up your gift. This is pretty much simple. You just put your item in the bag that you're giving away. You put the wrapping paper on top and you put your to and from, and you're good to go. These are really easy too. You can have these. They're like to and from stickers that you can put on, and you don't have to like use a permanent marker. You just use one of these, stick it on there, and you know, have a nice little pin, right? So let's go ahead and get into it. So you get your wrapping paper, whichever kind you want. I guess I'll use this one, because since it's already open. I like to switch it up with the wrapping paper, but okay. So we're gonna have the wrapping paper flat out. We're going to put the item that we're gonna wrap on in the middle of the paper. Hold on. You also need some scissors and some tape. Have those handy. So what we're gonna do is, I put this piece of wrapping paper over, just gently over. You don't have to go all crazy. Use your scissors, cut down. Okay, so now that's done. And then I'm gonna bring it to this side so you guys can see what I'm doing. You tuck one part of the present underneath the paper. Nice and simple. Make sure it's like nice and smooth because you want it to look nice, you know. You're giving it to somebody you care about. You want it to look a little bit decent, at least. Okay. Then you move this out the way. And then honestly, I can probably cut this some more. And you can always reuse your wrapping paper. Like, for instance, this excess paper that we don't need, and we're going to cut it off. You can always use it for a smaller present or anything like that, because we're all about recycling here. And for the present, it's okay to tape. When you tape it, it's okay to tape part of the present because usually it'll be wrapped, or if it's like paper or anything, it shouldn't be like damaged when they try to open it. So I take a piece of tape, put it on the end, put it on the other end of the present. That's secure. Now I wrap this piece of paper that's not taped on top of this. And make sure your ends are nice and smooth always. Take our piece of tape, put it over here. And now it looks like a rectangle, or it could be a cylinder, or it could be anything bumpy. You can use this method with anything, guys. So this is a lot of excess paper that I used. This is not a good example, but I'm just showing y'all what I do, okay? I'm not a professional. Disclaimer. I meant to say that in the beginning. Marmar's not a professional. So you just keep cutting the excess paper. Okay. And then we're going to, on this side, we're going to flatten it. And then tuck it underneath. And then flip it up. And then tape that part, the end part. I hope you guys are following this, hopefully. So we're gonna put a piece of tape here, and then we're just gonna boop. And then for these little flaps right here, we're just gonna tape the flaps to the side and make it look nice. And there's the butt, looking all nice and smooth. That's how I like my presents. I mean, I like my presents if I even get presents, but you know what I mean. For other people's presents, we want them nice and smooth. And sometimes I, put an additional tape on if I see another flapping or something. So we're going to do the same thing on this side that we did on the other side. Now this side, the cut is uneven. So we're just going to make it as even as possible. And then for this method, of course you're going to have like a bad looking side. So So for what I recommend that you put the to and from on the other side that's nice and smooth. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Why am I acting so professional over gift wrapping? So I'm just gonna see. You just gotta mess around with it a little sometimes. Have fun with it. Don't make it a chore. Think about that person that's going to be so excited when they open it. Or at least a little bit wow. Or at least like, oh, hey, thanks for giving me this. I didn't think you were going to give me anything. Or, you know, just brightening up their day a little bit. Especially in 2020 right now. Everything going on is crazy. Bring a little joy and cheer into their life. Okay, so you guys see how this part is kind of like not neat? This is the part that they're gonna open. So I always have like something to where they can, it's like a signal to where they can open the present. So now on this side, when it's nice and smooth and looks good, that's where we're gonna put the to and from. To and from. So, oh, here. We're gonna get our little things, or if you want, if you just want to grab a permanent marker, just write to and from on the corner, make it look nice and neat, or in the middle, whatever you want. I'm gonna take one of my things, and I'm gonna put it, let's see. Since the label is this way, since the label of the present is this way, I'm just going to put the to and from right here. And we're just gonna pretend I wrote to and from right here. Good to go. And then last but not least, if you want a bow on your present, you can put a bow. If not, then that's a-okay. So, let's see. What goes good with gold, y'all? I think white. White would look good. I mean, I said gold. I meant silver. Silver. White looks good with silver. With the silver wrapping. Okay, and then you just stick it where you want. And I like to make mine symmetrical to the to and from. And there you have it. It's a cute little present. Just a little something to get y'all started. And then, you know, the more you do it, like with anything else in life, the better you get. So go ahead, wrap your Christmas presents, and let me know if this method helps. Comment below a Christmas tree emoji if you've gotten this far, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to me and like this video. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, let me know like if this little present thing worked. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the new subscribers this year. Thank you guys for sticking with me this year. And I'm really happy I started YouTube again this year after a crazy ride. 2020 was definitely crazy, but I'm glad to be moving forward with it. Honestly, the future is bright. Like we can only go up from here, y'all. I'm happy you're here with me and you're here with your family, and always make the best of it. Give your family members a call if you haven't talked to them in a while. Tell them you love them, hug them, because you never know. And word of advice, always use self-care, always care for yourself. I've learned that this year to do self-care, to basically just be you. Don't be selfish, but just do what makes you happy, and F what everybody else has to think. Duh. But don't go, just improve on yourself, be better, and all that good stuff. I don't know where that came from, but I just felt it in my heart, so I said it. But yeah, guys, I discovered a lot this year. Hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. See you, and I might do a quick video for New Year's, who knows. If not, I will see you guys in 2021. Be safe, be careful, and most of all, stay bright. Peace.